businesses are faced with complex and challenging decisions when it comes to IT and network infrastructure. Amnet Global simplifies these decisions, not just by our low pricing, also because we treat your network like it's our own, for life. As a majority veteran-owned and operated firm, we lead the way in best-of-class service and commitment. We are proud to serve more than 20,000 organizations, including small, medium businesses, large corporations, education, government, and military firms worldwide. The process starts with our global team of network experts and Cisco-certified professionals working 24/7 to give you the most accurate solution to fill your need. If you have an immediate need, our team can turn around a quote to you in minutes, not hours or days. Our skilled and experienced account management team are backed up by certified technicians to ensure the solution being delivered is not just the right choice, but the best choice. Whether you need network engineering, configuration, cabling, or installation, our professional services team is here to ensure you receive a solution that 100% meets your needs, documented and delivered. All equipment sold by Amnet Global includes the industry's finest and foremost lifetime warranty with advanced replacement, assuring businesses the support they need to stay online and work at doing what they do best. With over $250 million in our global supply channel in stock, you can be assured fast and effective delivery on new and certified pre-owned solutions from top brands such as Cisco, HP, Juniper, Dell, Extreme Networks, Brocade, and more. We ship over 1,000 pieces of equipment a day to more than 100 countries with accuracy. We are committed to excellence, and this shows in our pricing, investments, and services we provide, all with one thing in mind: simplify IT, deliver excellence. Call or visit us today at www.amnetglobal.com.